right, folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with a very special little baritone for you. Check that out. That is local Acacia, very similar to walnut, which is why it's got a walnut neck. So we've got a walnut neck, Acacia top, Basswood body. Thing is just perfectly balanced, perfectly weighted. And look at that. One pickup. So all the details are over here. I believe that's a Pegasus that we got. And one volume knob. That's all you need, right? Right? Let's give you a little sound sample. I'm not going to do that whole loopy thing. Let's just do that. Yeah, so... I'm feeling funky lately. Very easy to get some like cool funk sounds on it. I know you guys think of other things for baritones now. That's what baritone meant in my days. But I guess you guys think of something more like this, huh? Oh, let's have some real fun. So I originally had this tuned to A. We're going to drop down to G here. Someone once asked me, James, why do you do all that like fiddly stuff up here? It doesn't sound very good. And I know I'm not a very good player. The reason why I do that on these videos, so you could tell that there's no fret buzz. Because I play every single fret, every single note on this guitar, whether it sounds like music or not. Doesn't matter to me. I want to know that there's clarity and everything sounds good before I send it out. And there's times where it doesn't, which means I got to fix it, which is what I do long before I send it to you. This guitar is ready to go. I hope you like this demo. If not, I don't know. Whether you do or not, please leave comments. Please engage. This is a very cool, very special guitar to me. Like I said, it's because it's got a lot of local stuff in it. It's really cool. And yeah, it's got spank. Yeah, and it does the gent thing. You know, I can't, but it does. So anyway, thanks again, folks, for tuning in and supporting Dude Craft Guitars.